There are only a few metropolises on Earth that have been surrounded, framed, and shaped by water, but still have problems for potable water. Istanbul is one of these cities, which is located on the continents of Asia and Europe. Taking care of the huge demand that comes from over 13 million people, Istanbul Water and Sewage Administration, or ISKI, has prepared a big project to be able to bridge and transfer potable water from the Asian side to the European side, passing under the sea, which is called the Bosphorus Crossing Project. It has been realized by Kutay İnşaat in less than 6 months, as a part and conclusion of another big project, Melen, due to the lack of the European side's drinkable water sources. Kutay İnşaat has become an expert company on every project that needs speed, creativeness, and wise solutions, with its own ambition and excitement, depending on qualified and classified employees. Kutay management believes that the master key of staying as a leader, principles for the company must be honest, clarity, respect, and the company culture counts on personal education. Bosphorus Crossing Project. The water comes from the Melen River, which has been transferred by 2 lines, which have been located on the Bosphorus seabed, almost 2 kilometers in length between Asia and Europe, 400,000 cubic meters per day. Using the specific marine equipment, a trench has been dredged for 2 pipelines. In total, more than 100,000 cubic meter excavation has been dismantled to allow fish migration and completed in 45 days. The thickest HDPE pipe in the world, which has a 1.2 mm diameter, 109 mm thickness, and handles 16 bar operational pressure, has been manufactured in Turkey, and providing the special technical features, each 13-meter length pipe has been welded to the other with 4-head method. To be able to lay the pipeline from land to sea with the right angle, a concrete platform supported steel construction has built up on the site. Against 2 external effects, and by increasing the weight of pipeline to keep the undersea half-ring concrete precast has been molded and installed on the HDPE pipes. The pulling works has been performed from the Salacak by a special tow which has 150 tons capacity, and the off-bottom tow method preferred due to the intensive international marine traffic on the line and the natural cross-section of the seabed. The 2 lines have been connected to each other by steel construction in order to clamp the line. While marine works were ongoing by over 80 people 24/7, 2 connection buildings have been constructed on both sides to be able to make the connection from the Bosphorus crossing lines to existing lines on land. The flow valves have been observed for leakage and tested for pressure by specific equipment, and then the lines have been put into operation by the Environmental Minister and Governor on the 1st of February 2008 with an opening ceremony. Golden Horn Crossing Project between Eminönü and Karaköy. Some part of the water which had been bridged by the Bosphorus Crossing Project to the European side had to be transferred to Beşiktaş-Sarayburnu district with another plan, which is under the responsibility of Kutay İnşaat and was successfully realized. Regarding the seabed, which is not convenient for dredging, was at the Golden Horn. The main idea of the project has become to lay the pipeline to the sea ground, to fill with water, to let it create a grave by the static weight of the line, and to fix it under the sea by special designed precasts. The completed and parallel connected two lines, 415 meters length each, has been carried 6 miles on the surface of the sea by marine boats, from the site to operation area. The HDPE pipeline has been sunk by the S-sink method. It took only 10 weeks from the manufacturing of the first pipe to put it into operation. As the main contractor of the Bosphorus and Golden Horn Crossing water pipeline project, we are so glad to commence and complete these projects with using all new technology of today, and also proud with our national engineers and employees, which show how to figure out creative solutions under the pressure, how proper planning reduces the current schedule.